Today's video, I'm going to be covering the LaVivid Heiress. I love their hair systems. Highly recommended. This is the LaVivid Heiress. Alright. It's got some very, very lovely quality hair. You know, that kind of like very silky smooth hair. Kind of like the hair you can almost run your fingers smoothly through, you know. Very nice system. This is a lace front system. So we have our lace in the front area. But what's nice about this particular unit is the sides and back are skin. It's nice and easy because I would toss it onto this and I would lather all this kind of skin area with some Ghost Bond. Maybe hit a couple of bits of the lace with some tape. And in the front hairline, I might go with something like the Walker's Ultra Hold. Also, the good thing about lace is kind of the breathability. Because you have these small, this lace, air kind of will flow through rather than being confined with like an entire skin base. So it's really good if you're, if you like to go to the gym, a really good option to go with. Let's see, can we get any hair out of this? I'm forcing it. This will be considered the pull test I'll go with from now on. There is no hair. So this particular hair system is in darkest brown. I've logged on LaVivid's website. I was really looking forward to using this piece. I think it's a really nice quality unit. So we are on LaVivid's website, lavividhair.com, or just go to Google, type in LaVivid Hair, whatever's easiest for you. We go to toupees and we want to see the lace based units. Now obviously click on it, gives you a little heads up. So lace are lightweight, very breathable, and an airy feel. Perfect for the gym, perfect for that natural hairline. Now let's click on the particular unit itself. And as you can see here, the price is $289. Convert that to pounds if you are in England, just a quick conversion tool on Google. The one I have at the moment is in color darkest brown and in size 8x10, which is perfect for me. 7x9, 8x10 work perfectly for me. At this point in time, there's not too many choices on color options, but remember there's a pandemic going on. I'm sure they'll be back in stock at a later time. A few customer pictures here. You can see just from these pictures alone that the hair systems look very nice overall. And again, quality of LaVivid is just outstanding quality. I mean, if you want good feeling hair, good looking hair, certainly recommend giving LaVivid a try. I'm totally in love with the hair quality. It's got the lace with the skin sides and back. So again, just really good overall system. Showing you exactly the unit that I showed you earlier. And of course, let's look through the reviews. I mean, nothing but high quality reviews. 4-star, 4-star, 5-star, 4-star. This last one, very realistic looking haircut with a fade. That just looks, just beautiful to me. And again, hopefully you got a little more information from the LaVivid site. Price is a little bit higher, but they are very nice quality. You'll be able to feel the quality alone when you touch the hair. You can feel the quality, very, very nice quality. You definitely would not be disappointed if you were to go with something like this, Sometimes you spend a little more, but again, you get what you pay for sometimes. Have a good hair day.